Did you know that you can fake DIYs to decorate your home on a budget and nobody's gonna know? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best hacks. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel DIY Home and Crafts. So excited to have you here today, guys. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you some DIYs that you can do. They're going to be fake high-end decor pieces that you have to try using Dollar Tree items, maybe things that you have at home. These DIYs turned out amazing and I just hope that you can get some ideas from this video to create your own project. So if you like it, a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you'll check the links in the description box. I'm going to leave you all of my social media pages there and also my other channel, JAZOMY Home. Guys, I hope that you are ready because I am. Let's DIY together.
For this project, you're going to need one bamboo placemat, and you can get these maybe at Dollar Tree or any other dollar store, or you can create one. You can use some bamboo skewers and just stick them all together in a piece of fabric or maybe a board. Now, I'm also going to be using one of these stir sticks. You can get this at Walmart, Home Depot, or Lowe's, and I'm going to cut mine at the same size of my bamboo placemat. Once I cut my stir stick, I'm going to give it some paint to change the color to make this project really pop out. So for that, I'm going to use some black Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to paint these, and then I'm gonna dry everything using my heat tool, which is going to work amazing and is going to make the process so much faster. Once I have that part ready, I'm just going to stick that piece of stir stick on the top of my placemat using hot glue. Okay, once I'm done with that, this is how the project looks like, and now you can add whatever you want. You maybe can add some dried flowers. I have these from my backyard. They are dry and I absolutely love them. I think it looks super cute, so that's what I'm going to use for this project. I'm going to stick 2 of these using a very small amount of hot glue, making sure that I'm not making like any mess with the glue and that they look something like this. Now just to add an extra touch on that part, I'm going to be using a piece of this leather ribbon that you can get at Dollar Tree. I just got a small piece and I'm going to add 2 small dots of glue on each side, and I'm going to stick this. This is going to work as maybe a bow, something like that, but like this is going to have a high-end look. And if you want, you can add some like these drawing pins. I cut like the pointy part and I just stick one on each side of my ribbon. Now guys, I'm going to work on the top part of this project. I'm going to add 2 other pieces of these leather ribbon on each side. I cut them in the same size and I'm going to stick them with glue, making sure that I leave a small loop to be able to hang these later. For the extra touch, I'm going to add a drawing pin, the same thing that I did on the greenery, and I just stick that with hot glue. Now I'm going to be using some dowels. I have one dowel that it's already painted using wax in antique color, so I'm going to use that one. I'm going to add these between the 2 pieces of the leather ribbon, and then just to be able to hang these, I'm going to use some twine. I'm going to make a small knot on each side, and then this is how the product turned out. So easy, so on a budget. You can make a set of these and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. It was pretty using random materials that I have in my house, and I think the project turned out amazing. Okay, for this next project, I'm going to be doing something that is very useful, that you can put in so many places in your house. I'm going to be using this oval wooden piece that I got from Dollar Tree. Now, I'm going to be painting these. I need like a base coat, so you can use any color. But for this project, I'm going to be using white. I'm going to give it just one really good coat of paint, and then I'm gonna let it dry. Now, I want these to have like a marble look, like a faux marble look. So for that, I'm going to be using some of these mineral chalk paint, and I'm going to be using a very thin brush, and I'm gonna start trying to create like all of the veins for the marble look. This doesn't need to be perfect, just try to like move your pencil or your brush around to create like a more realistic look. They need to look like thunders or something like that. Hope that makes sense. Once I have that part ready, I'm going to just spray some water on my project, and then with a bigger brush I'm gonna try to work with the veins. Then you can add a little bit of white color if you want on top until you feel that they look good. Once I have that part ready, you need to let this dry really well. This is how they look. Now I want these to be like a tray, so for that I'm going to be sticking some legs on these, and I'm going to be using these wooden pieces. They are from the Christmas season. They are like very small wooden snowmans, and I'm going to stick 4 on the bottom part of this tray using hot glue. Once I have that part ready, if you want to put these on your kitchen or maybe on your bathroom, you can add like a top coat or layer just to protect the paint. So for that you can use some spray paint in clear or gloss. This is how the project turned out, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. High-end faux marble look using these colors that are very trendy right now, and I just love how the project turned out. It's a high-end look but very on a budget. For this project, I'm going to be using this bean basket that I found at my dollar store, and this is beautiful. You can use this like as a trash can or something like that. You have so many options, or you can use any planter or basket that you have in your house to create this idea. So what I'm going to do to give it like a very high-end look that is completely going to change the look of it is I'm going to use just some spray paint, and I'm going to use black color. I'm going to paint this outside with one really good coat of paint, and that's it. Now if you want to elevate this, I'm going to be using this tray that I have at home. It is from the Dollar Spot from Target, so I'm going to put that first, and then I'm going to add my bean basket on top. Now you can use these to put maybe like a blanket and a small pillow, but I'm going to be adding some greenery and flowers because it's the perfect season for that, and I really love that. And that's it. This is how the project turned out. So easy. It looks beautiful, high-end, and nobody's gonna know that is a bean trash or a planter from the dollar store, and it's going to be a high-end point of view in your house. For this next project, you are going to need some dry branches that you maybe have in your backyard or your front yard, or I don't know, you can go to the forest and try to find ones like I did. So these are the ones that I got, the ones that I found, and I got 2 of them. So what I really want to do is like some faux eucalyptus branches, but I want to make sure that they are big, so that is what is going to give this project like a high-end look. So I got huge branches, and then I'm going to start just sticking all of these eucalyptus leaves on the branches. You can use like the same small branches to insert your leaves, or you can use some hot glue and start sticking all of the leaves in your branches just like I'm doing. You can add a lot of leaves or you can add less depending on how you want your project to be and how you want them to look on your house. That's up to you. So that's why I really love this project. You can do whatever you want until you like how it looks. Once I have all of the branches full of the eucalyptus leaves and I like how they look, I'm going to be using just a very small like planter. You can use anything that you have at home. I'm going to add a piece of foam inside to be able to insert my branches. So I'm going to stick those. You maybe can add some rocks or stones to give the vase a little bit more weight. And now that you have them in a small vase, you can put that inside of any beautiful planter that you have at home. You can use any basket, maybe something with raffia, or maybe like a marble vase or something like that. You can put these on your entry table or maybe on your kitchen. This is going to elevate the look of any space because of the size of the branches that you are going to use for this project. I hope that you like how it turns out. I love how they look on my house, and I'm going to be using these all year round. Guys, I really hope that you like and enjoy today's video, that you can get some ideas and inspiration on how you can do very simple projects on a budget that are going to elevate the look of your house. And I hope that you like them, and if you do, please that big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which of these DIYs is one of your favorites, and of course make sure that you are subscribed. Thank you so much for all of the love and all of the support. See you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.